We're going to show you how to clean and care for a BLANCO stainless steel sink. A damp microfiber cloth or the soft side of a sponge and a little standard commercially available washing up liquid are all you need for the daily cleaning of your BLANCO stainless steel sink. It's also easy to remove dried-on stains. All that is required is water, a soft sponge, some washing up liquid and very little effort. Afterwards, just rinse the sink with water. To prevent limescale stains, wipe the sink dry with a microfiber cloth after every use, and your BLANCO stainless steel sink will be wonderfully shiny. When working around your BLANCO stainless steel sink, always pay attention to the steel's direction of brushing. Regular cleaning of your BLANCO stainless steel sink in the direction of brushing will leave you with a shiny, satin matte, scratch-resistant surface that retains its looks for many years to come. We recommend the use of BLANCO Anti-Calc for particularly stubborn limescale marks. This product is tailored specifically to BLANCO mixer taps and sinks and cleans all surfaces effectively yet gently. We recommend giving your BLANCO sink a thorough clean with BLANCO polish every 3 to 4 weeks. Apply BLANCO polish to the stainless steel surface in the direction of brushing. BLANCO polish reduces the surface tension of water. It simply runs off, which helps to prevent limescale from adhering to the surface. And so BLANCO polish helps to preserve the harmonious shine of your BLANCO stainless steel sink. There are many different BLANCO stainless steel surfaces, and they all have different cleaning and care requirements. For satin polish and brushed finish surfaces, use a microfiber cloth, BLANCO Anti-Calc and BLANCO polish. For satin matte, natural or linen effect finishes, the use of BLANCO polish is not recommended. To retain the quality of your BLANCO stainless steel sink, please observe the following. In daily use, clean your sink with a standard washing up liquid and wipe it dry afterwards. Use BLANCO Anti-Calc for stubborn limescale deposits. Do a deep clean every 3 to 4 weeks with BLANCO polish. We support our customers and partners in all service matters. Please visit our website for further information.